2006 Nissan Xterra was having problems with the lock using the keyless entry. The locking mechanism would not lock the latch. The key has never worked since I've bought it. To get the panel off, there's 2 bolts in the first aid compartment, 2 on the handle here. Once we were in, we removed the insulation. There's 3 bolts here that let the latch out. The problem was where this bar connects. That's the mechanical latch. It's all seized up and my key never worked anyways, so we are just removing that bar. You also have to take out this bolt to get the latch out. And it all comes out like that. And we're going to put it back together and we'll just have the electronic lock. Locked, unlocked. So that appears to work. We'll put it together and try it out. Easy fix for that problem so far. Okay, so we put it back together. We didn't put the panel on yet. We'll lock it. Locked. Can hear it working. Unlocked. So fixed. Removed the manual bar that controls that, as it was holding up the rest in the latch there. And done.